Hello, dear friends. In my previous video, we were discussing about note taking and note making, differences between note taking and note making. We have seen more than 5 differences between note taking and note making. Let us note a few important things regarding note taking as this juncture. There are some important points you have to note down regarding note taking. The first point is defining the purpose. We must be clear as to why you are going to take some points down from the lecture being delivered. The lecture is going on and you are taking some points in your notebook. You must be clear why you are taking down all these important points in your notebook. You must be very clear in your mind. That is called defining purpose. You can write the title why you are taking down these notes. Second point is being attentive. Being attentive is the second point. Taking notes while listening to a typical classroom lecture requires focused attention. You might have known about the concentration. You must concentrate on a particular topic or a point or a lecture in such a way that you should not divert your mind, or you must be able to concentrate your mind on a lecture. Attention is a key to comprehension. Without attention you cannot do a comprehension. So we must try to be attentive as possible while attending a lecture. Indulging yourself in another task during the lecture will not be helpful to you for taking notes. That's why being attentive is an essential thing during the classroom lectures. Third point is relating to the syllabus. We must make sure that the topic you are studying is related to your syllabus. We must make sure that the points we are jotting down are going to be useful for our understanding of the subject. All the time teacher is not speaking about the syllabus. He used to give some examples from his own experiences or the second-hand experiences. So it is not necessary to take down all the experiences in your notebook as a notes. You must be sure that the point you are taking down in your notebook that should be related to your syllabus. So third point is relating to the syllabus is important. Whatever is related to your syllabus you should take down as a point or note. Next point is making it memorable. We must note the points in such a way that they help us recapitulate whatever we have received. We must see to it that these points help us develop our own understanding of the subject. We must recapitulate, recall remind whatever you received from the teacher. Making the point memorable, you have to think over it. We must see to it that these points help us develop our own understanding of the subject. For your personal understanding of the subject, this habit will definitely help you in memorizing the point or the topic taught you by the teacher in the classroom. The next point is being logical. We must note the points in some logical order. This order may or may not be similar to the one reflected in the lecture that is delivered. That does not matter. Our logical sense should be proper one. There should be a logical sense while taking down all the important points in your notebook. This order may or may not be similar to the one reflected in the lecture that is delivered. Perhaps the teacher used to speak on various topics simultaneously, or sometimes he recalled the previous point once again after the important next point. So it is not necessary to take down as it is that teachers delivered their lecture. So it is quite important to make a logical sense while taking down the important points from the lecture. So being logical is important. Unless and until you are logical, you will not be able to take down notes in a proper way or proper manner. Otherwise, the confusion will be there after some time you read these notes once again in the future before the examination. Suppose you are going to reread your notes or your points you have taken down in your notebook of a particular subject. You must understand the topic in such a way that you attended the lecture on the topic, and what the teacher said, you must recall all these things while reading the particular point, or the additional information explained by the teacher. You must remember all these additional information while reading the point. So in such a way, you should take down all these points. Being objective. It is necessary to be objective while studying. It is likely that we have a special liking for a particular topic or a particular person. There are many teachers we like most, and there are many teachers we do not like most. And we generally try to avoid such lectures which we do not like. We just try to attend only these lectures of the teachers who you like most. So being objective is quite important thing here, because if you want to take down notes, you have to attend all the lectures on a particular topic by all the teachers. So it is likely that we have a special liking for a particular topic or a particular person, but our personal preferences should not reflect in our act of note taking. Personal importance, personal reference is not important here. While taking down the notes, you only concentrate on the important point delivered by the teacher, and that's why you must uh, you must be attentive while taking down the notes. Your personal interest does not matter here. You should keep your personal interest aside and try to take down notes in a proper manner and honestly. So your honest is important here. Regardless of the topic or the person, we must be able to focus on learning. Person is not important for us. Only notes are important for us. Though there are very few points, few important points delivered by the teacher during the lecture, you just take down all these important points in your notebook and point wise, sequentially, logically, and you should not think whether the person likes you or you dislike the person. Your personal liking and disliking should not be the obstacle of note taking. So mind it well that note taking is a very easy type of activity that you can do in the classroom. There are some more points, though there are some more tricks that we will discuss in my next video. Thank you.